Hello children, I welcome you all to this Standard 2 literature class. Dear children, today I am going to teach you chapter 2 and page number 14. Bukka learns a lesson. Okay children, it is an interesting story. So all of you listen to me carefully, okay? So let's start the chapter. Remember, you all are big animals. The older elephants won the juniors. So the older elephants won the juniors. What? Remember, you all are big animals. When laying down on the ground, you must watch out for snails. See that you don't crush them under your weight. It is the snail that tells you when flood water enters the forest. So, how snails help us? It is the snails that tells us when flood water enters the forest. So, children, here see the red color word crush. Crush means to press something very hard till it breaks down. Check to see if there are baby squirrels in the hollows of trees. When you shake the branches of a tree to pick the fruits, then these animals will be the first ones to give you news of any danger. The squirrel will bring you news of an approaching forest fire. So, here see highlighted word hollows means having a hole or empty space inside, and approaching means coming near something. The older elephants do not only teach the young elephants how to live in harmony with others, but also teach them how to live in harmony among their own kind. Children, here harmony means a peaceful situation where everyone agrees with each other. When you get news of good food, the elders tell the juniors, you must not eat alone. You must send a message to others, and if any member of the herd face danger, everyone must rush to help. You should always remember, however big you are, you might face danger if you are alone. Children, here herd means a large group of animal. So the young elephants listen to their elders with rapt attention. Rapt means giving complete attention. The young elephants listen to the elders with complete attention. Only Bukka does not like to listen to all this. Bukka knows that one day he will become the leader of the herd. He will become huge and have those big tasks. Everyone is in the jungle will be afraid of him. So Bukka doesn't bother to make friends with those small creatures at all. So, am I a fool that I will share my good food that I find? Thinks Bukka. In fact, I should be eating all that good food, shouldn't I? I have to grow up quickly, after all. I have to become the leader one day. So, Bukka breaks off flowers and also branches with nests. He crushes snails underfoot. He squirts water into rabbit holes with his trunk. All the animals are tired of his mischief. Children, mischief means un- unruly behavior that is not intended to cause harm. One day they complained to the leader of the elephant herd. Please do something. They tell the leader. Bukka is becoming very naughty. The leader hears them out and realizes that naughty Bukka needs to be taught a lesson. Children, turn the page. Then what happened? That night, like always, Bukka goes to sleep next to his mother's warm side. But in the morning, he wakes up surprised. He finds himself alone on the banks of the small pool. There is simply no one. Bukka jumps up and searches near the pool. No, there is no sign of the elephant herd. He lifts his trunk to catch the smells floating in the breeze. No luck there. Bukka feels frightened. He starts crying. What will happen now? Where will he find his parents in such a huge and dense forest? Children, dense means thick. Poor Bukka turns to the birds, animals, and insects in the forest for help, but they all turn away. The squirrel says, have you forgotten how you shook the branches and made us fall? Shook means children to move backwards and forwards in quick short movements. The rabbit mother says, don't you remember how you poured water down our hole? We nearly died. Now see how it feels. Serves you right. The butterflies too refuse to help him. Bukka starts crying, and then he falls asleep crying beside the pool. Next day when he wakes up, he finds himself sleeping right in the middle of his herd, next to his mother's warm belly. Was that a dream? Thinks Bukka to himself. After that day, no one complains about Bukka ever again. Okay, children, you write down these word meanings and learn. Thank you.